The best way to cut lettuce is to use a sharp knife or a sharp scissor and go right down here, about an inch above the base, and just snip it right off. Leaving this much at the base encourages regrowth, so you can get more leaves. And I do really think it works because using this method, I have been able to harvest lettuce every about 3 days. It's been growing really well. But also, bonus tip, if you want your lettuce to keep regrowing and be very good tasting, you gotta make sure you give it plenty of water. As you can see, this is all very moist because it just rained today, which is great. But on the days it does not rain, I make sure that the plants stay nice and moist. Also, another bonus tip, when I first planted the lettuce, I made sure to give it some good fertilizer. And that has also, I think, really contributed to the regrowth. The fertilizer I used was grass clippings and chicken poop from my great chickens. But I also used household things like coffee grounds, crushed up eggshells, banana peels, and even lettuce. Yep, when we would buy heads of lettuce before this started growing up, I would take the old parts and I put it in here to make new lettuce. It was a whole cycle. Lettuce plants are also kind of delicate, so you want to be kind of careful when you're grabbing and cutting them so you don't break the stem. As you can see, this is a different variety of lettuce that does not grow a head, and I really prefer this type because I find it easier to harvest and I don't need to worry about bugs. The nice thing about it is I never find this lettuce to be bitter. Even like these really big leaves, when I cut them and I eat them, they're never bitter, and I really appreciate that. I also think they're really much better tasting than the lettuce you get in grocery store. I think they're a lot better. So yes, that is how to properly cut lettuce. Now it's time to say goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Always remember to be happy. I'm buzzing away. Woo.
Go with Ozzy, Queeth the bee, and learn some gardening. Plants, flowers, it doesn't matter, we'll get better. It's only the beginning now, so let's sow our seeds and pluck the weeds, and let the sun do the rest.